Let's go. So I'm in this room full of teak, and so another reason why I think this place is so cheap. What an amazing find. And I'm telling you, I'm feeling good about this out here. Hello, 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 and I hope you're doing well. It's the MCM Hunter, and as 2023 is just across the horizon, I want to take some time to remember all of the fun times we had in 2022. For instance, like I started my YouTube channel, or that we found a bunch of cool mid-century modern furniture items. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best items that we found and purchased in 2022. But first, if you could please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's go. Let's go. I was able to find something for less than $100. I ended up paying $83.95 for those two really cool tables, and that just lets you know you are able to find deals in antique stores, and you're able to do it for less than $100. So I'll go ahead and put those in my booth for like $225. So I went from 80 to 225. Cross my fingers they'll sell quickly, and there you go. There's your profit. So I'm in this room full of all this teak stuff, and the prices are really good on this stuff. Like, I think I'm gonna pick this up for 50% off of $150, so $75. I mean, the big thing is this big teak bed set with mattress. That's $500, so that's $250 for this huge thing. Now, I may leave this because I don't have a way to transport it, but it is an amazing piece for a really good price. Got it behind me. We're about to secure the bag. So just pulled up to like this flea market store, and I'm telling you, I'm feeling good about this out here. They have a bunch of furniture sitting outside from an old estate sale that they picked up, and so I for sure could get some deals out here. So let me take a look around, cross my fingers. We're feeling good though. So the plan of the video to find budget mid-century modern items, and so that's what I'm going to do today. So just leaving now, just picked up those cool rad 2 leather chairs. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see a little bit right there. But on my way to Motherlode to drop these off, get these priced, and get these up to sell. So just dropping this stuff off at Motherlode. There you go. Cool sign they just got. Vintage. But like I said, the grind never stops. Full trailer. Let's drop this off, get this inside. Let's get it set up, and on to the next. Look what I just picked up for $100. Haywood Wakefield dresser valued at about $350 to $400. So another reason why I think this place is so cheap is because everything is slammed on top of each other. There's so much everywhere. So let's keep looking, see if we can find. So just found my first fine Harmony House dresser. I had one like this in the past. 125 bucks on that. I think I'm gonna purchase this one, so good find. Not too bad of a price. Let's keep going. So just pulled up to my second stop, and trust me, y'all have to continue to watch this video. This is a cool old prop house that has tons of mid-century modern furniture. So stay tuned. Hopefully the price is right and we can get some furniture. So let's head inside. Really love this Haywood Wakefield piece behind me. Unfortunately, it's not for sale, but this is, I think they want $325 on that, so really have to think about that. But yeah, keep looking. I mean, like I said, sensory overload in here. It's just you got to pick out the good stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do now. So finished up. Was gonna go to another estate sale, but I can't. I mean, I really can't. After going to this one and seeing all this stuff, I ended up getting a dresser and a ashtray. The other stuff are a little out of my price range, but I'll show you what I got, and then hopefully we can see if it was worth it. But so on my last stop for the antique/vintage tour throughout Knoxville, I'm at this cool place called Architectural Antics. They have a lot of cool vintage items for basically your architect or your design pieces throughout your house. So let me go in here, see what I can find. I've had a great day today so far, so let's see what we can find in here. So just left that vintage, antique, or whatever it is, crazy, cool, whatever you can call it, store. And I actually did get a Pachinko machine. I just love the style of it, love the lines on it. I got a pretty smacking deal on it. And so I ended up leaving with that. Super excited about it. Let's see if I can put it in our booth. Let's see what I can get out of it. But super excited for the day. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. In here live, starting off, estate sales ready to go. Have my eye on a few things. It's bustling. It's the last day, 50% off. So let's look around and let's go. So let me let you in on a secret. I came here for one item and it was available. And I think it's the coolest item in here. So let me show you it. Now for a newer house, this place has a lot of mid-century modern items. So I know there was this credenza downstairs in the basement. There also was that cool chair that I ended up purchasing. And then there's some other cool items in here. So let me show you it and let's get to it. The truck is busting at the seams. So much cool stuff. What a day. So it's me, I'm back from the future, I guess, because I did 2022 and it's just like the end of 2022, so I'm in the future. But I want to say thank you for watching me. Also, thank you for staying with me on my journey, subscribing. It's been a wonderful year and I'm looking forward to the year coming up.
But if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more about where and how I source this local mid-century modern furniture, check out this video right here. And like always, peace.